Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change language on Bible. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Bible app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on general. Next, you can see the option of language. Tap on it. After that, select language of your choice. Here I am selecting Spanish language. Select language of your choice and then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of tick button on top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change language on Bible. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.